Hi, I'm attorney Jeremy Huss. Can the police search a home without a warrant? Generally, the answer is no. However, a few exceptions exist allowing police into a home without a warrant. Let's first talk about the Fourth Amendment and then these three exceptions. The Fourth Amendment to the United States Constitution protects all Americans from unreasonable searches. A warrantless search is presumptively unreasonable, and the burden is on the state to prove why a warrant was not obtained. One of the beautiful things about America is that a person's home is their castle. To the extent a person is legally justified in killing an intruder into this castle. Because of this, and the Fourth Amendment's warrant requirement, you are all probably wondering, how can the police ever search a home without a warrant? Let's talk about the three exceptions that allow the police to do this. First, police can search a home without a warrant if a person with authority or apparent authority consents. A person with apparent authority is someone who reasonably appears to police to have authority to grant consent. It should be noted that if a person with apparent authority does not in fact have an actual authority, but allows police to search, the search will still be good and likely upheld. The reason for this is police are allowed to rely on and obtain consent from someone they can articulate had apparent authority or appeared to have authority. The bottom line here is do not consent to law enforcement requests for consent to search. This is a nation whose laws do provide a person protections against self-incrimination, and a person under investigation need not provide any information to police unless a warrant is presented. A second way police may enter and search a home without a search warrant is while police are conducting what's called a protective sweep. A protective sweep is conducted when law enforcement is summoned to a location for a dispute, or if the location is a crime scene, or for any number of investigative reasons. The purpose of the protective sweep is to make certain there are not other people at the location that may pose a threat to officer safety. As such, police may search in any location a person may be. While executing a protective sweep, law enforcement may seize any evidence that is in plain view. Plain view means exactly that. Anything on a table or on a stand or in the bathroom or on the bed that can be seen with no manipulation. Examples of items not in plain view are items in closed medicine cabinets or closed drawers or in containers or other concealed locations. These are locations people would not hide and typically require manipulation by law enforcement to open, which would not be in plain view. Items found in plain view can serve as the basis for a search warrant. If police see evidence of a crime during a protective sweep, they can then write an affidavit for a search warrant using that item as the probable cause to conduct a full search of the home. The third way police may search a home without a warrant is due to an exigent circumstance. An exigent circumstance exists if police have reason to believe evidence will be destroyed or a person is in danger. Examples of exigent circumstances would be officers in hot pursuit of a fleeing person they know is in possession of disposable evidence, or officers responding to a crime in action. It could also be as simple as a door to a home unusually standing wide open all day long. We just talked about three situations police can search a home without a search warrant. Consent, protective sweeps, and exigent circumstances provide law enforcement three ways to enter and search a home without a warrant. Anybody who has been the subject of a warrantless search of their home or belongings should consult with and retain an experienced criminal defense attorney. If you liked the content in this video, Please like this video and leave me a comment with your thoughts on police search and seizure. Also, please subscribe to my channel at Huss Law PLLC, or you can always call me to chit chat.